Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saummya and today we will be moving forward to our fifth question in Babbar's 450 question DSA sheet, which is to move all negative numbers to one side of an array. So let's move forward to our solution. Guys, let's move forward to our fifth question. Move all the negative elements to one side of the array. The question is again in big forget. So the question, let's read the question properly and then we will move to our idea. Move all negative numbers to beginning and positive to end with constant extra space. Let us understand by this example. This is the array given -12, 11, -13 and these elements, and it is sorted in such a way that all the negative elements are pushed to the left and all the positive ones are at the end. So let's move to our ID. For reference, we can take this elements for our array. No? I've already written the question here. Let's just clear our console. Let our array be this. Okay. So the very first way is to do this is simply sort our array and print it. Okay. Let's run. See, all the negative elements are pushed at the left side and the positive ones are at the end. Okay, but we will not be proceeding using this way. We can see the time complexity here is order of. Okay, now let's move to our second method. I'll just comment this. For our second method and better time complexity, we will be using the two-pointer method. Let's move forward. So what we will be doing is we will be taking two variables. Okay, like one we will take as left, let it be index 0. Okay, and actually not here are 0, left and right will contain the index value. Let left be equal to 0 and right be the last one, that is n minus 1. What is the value of n? N is equal to length of array. Okay, now what we will be doing is apply the while loop, as we know that the value of left should always be less than or equal to right. Okay, so now what we will be doing is, let's check if zoom a little for people if it is not clearly visible. If array of left index value is less than 0, which means negative, and the element at right index is also negative, what we will be doing is we will be moving the left index one by one. Why we did this, I will explain, just give me 1 minute. After this, what we will be checking is if, or we can just write, if the value at left index is negative, no, if it is positive and the value at right index is negative. Okay, then what we will be doing is swapping both the elements, like array of left and array of okay, so like this, and then after doing this we will be incrementing the value of left index by 1 and decrementing the right value by 1. Then what other case can be? Else if the value at left index is positive and value at right index is also positive, what we will be doing is decrementing the right index. Okay, and if none of these is the case, we will be just incrementing the left index and decrementing the right index by 1. Now just print the save, try to run. See, we are getting the desired array. So let's try to understand this one, why we did. So let's just try to understand this through this array only. Okay, for left, what we have taken index 0 and right is index n minus 1. What is n here? 9. So n minus 1 is 8, which means this element. So for starting, array of left index and the value at right index are minus 12 and minus 6, which means both are negative. So we can't swap them. There will be no benefit of doing so. So we will just increase the value of left index by 1, which means now we are at this position, and the right value will remain same at minus 6 only. So now we are having these two values 11 and minus 6, which is the case array of left index is positive and array at means the value at right index is negative. So we will just swap them. Why? Because we need the negative values at the left hand side and the positive values at the right hand side. We will just swap them, and after swapping, what we will be getting is minus 6 at this position and 11 at this position, which means these two positions are now safe. Then we will be increasing the value of left index by 1, which means we will be coming to minus 13, and decrementing the value of right index by 1, which means we will be coming to minus 3. Again, both the elements are negative. We won't have anything to do. Just increment the value of left index by 1. Again it's minus 5 and here is minus 3. No change. Again we will be moving to this 6 and this will be minus 3 only. Both will be swapped because we want minus 3 at left hand side and 6 at the right hand side. So they will be swapped. Okay. And like this the process will go on, and finally we will be getting our desired array. And one thing to note here is the time complexity will be order of n. Okay, so this was the solution, guys. I will be providing the Babbar's DSA sheet and this sheet and our solution in the description box. I hope you like the solution and you are able to understand. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. I will be answering every doubt. And thank you so much for now. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share my channel with your friends. Thank you.